Good morning children. Today you are going to learn measurement. Last year also already you have learned. I have given a lot of introduction there. So in the video I cannot give the lot of introduction. I will give it in a nutshell. Okay, in a short way I will give the measurements. The important things for measurements, you must remember the three words, that is length, weight and capacity. Okay, so length is measured, it is used to measure the length, again distance between two objects or two places, again height. Okay, now weight is measured, weight is used to measure the heaviness, how the heavy the object is, no? That one it is used to measure. Again capacity is used for the liquid. It is to find the capability of the object. Now if you take any container, okay, if you take a glass, now the glass can hold how much water, how much amount of water or milk, that is the capacity of the glass. Okay, so to find the capacity of the container, how much it can contain, that is used to measure the capacity. So this is mainly used only for liquid items. So this is for solid, weight is used for solid. Okay, length is just different from this both. Okay, this is just from one point to other point, from here to here, like that, you know, length is measured. Okay, so this one only will come like a little bit, weight and capacity is closer. But this is for liquid we cannot measure the weight. So we are using the capacity because it has no shape, no? The liquid has no shape, so we cannot measure its weight. So we have to, it takes the capacity of a shape of a container. So container weight we cannot take it for liquid, so we take it the container capacity of a container as the weight of a liquid. Okay, so that you will learn in higher classes. Science you will learn, this maths only will come in science later. You will learn that one, that relationship between the weight and the capacity. The length is different from this both. Okay, so now for the length, the standard unit of length is meter. Already last year I have taught you, this is important. Okay, standard unit of length is meter. For the weight it is gram, standard unit is gram. For capacity, the standard unit is the liter. Okay, these three things you must know. Okay, now I will be teaching you the length. Okay, like last year, first we are learning the length, then weight, again capacity, we will go that way. So now I won't give much introduction, so I will directly go for the formula and conversion. Okay. So already you have learned the standard unit of length is meter. Again, it has three lower units. They are deci, centi and milli. The lower units are milli, centi, deci. Okay, they are lower than the meter. This is the standard unit and these are the lower. Okay, so this is, since lower, so this will be called now decimeter. This will be centimeter. And this will be millimeter. And now higher unit we will see, the higher units are deca, hecto and kilo. This I will be asking, what are the lower units and what are the higher units, what is the standard unit. Okay, the higher units are deca, hecto, kilo. So deca is bigger than meter, deca is bigger than meter, hecto is bigger than deca, kilo is bigger than hecto, and kilo is the biggest unit here. Kilo is the biggest unit, milli is the smallest unit. Okay, so now this will be now decameter, this will be hectometer, this will be kilometer. Okay, so now the short form, this will be written mm, millimeter the first letters. Again this will be centimeter, will be cm. Decimeter will be dm. So this should be written only in small letters, not capital letters. dnm. It will be capital, small letters only. Okay, again meter is only m. Again decameter. This is also d and m is there, so we can write dm. So we write it DAM. This A also we Okay, now these measurements, the units are differs from each other. No, from this is a lower unit. No, from lower to higher, it is increasing 10 times. Okay, so this is millimeter will be 10 times than the centimeter. Now, centimeter will be 10 times bigger than the millimeter. Otherwise, in other words, we can say millimeter is 10 times smaller than the centimeter. Okay, so this is, we can write it like this, 1 millimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Since it is increasing 10 times now, so it will be 10 centimeter, 1 millimeter equal to, sorry, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, this is a smaller unit now, so this is increases 10 times. Okay, so 10 millimeter. Okay, now decimeter also 10 times bigger than centimeter. So this will be 1 decimeter will be 10 centimeter. Again, now 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Again, 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. Again, 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter. Again, 1 kilometer equal to 10 hectometer. So this is the way they are 10 times they increase. Okay. So now we will come to the formula. This itself is the formula only. Now between how, if they ask how to find, this is just in order it is asked. Suppose if they ask from decimeter to hectometer, so how to find the formula? Let's see now. Okay, now first I will show you how to to find the formula for converting the higher units into the lower units. Okay, higher units into lower units. Higher units into lower units. So first let's see meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. Meter into centimeter. See, meter is the higher unit, centimeter is the lower unit. Meter is the higher unit, centimeter is the lower unit. So let's see how to convert this higher unit into the meter. Okay. So meter is here. Meter is here, centimeter is here. Now we see here, to meter to centimeter you have to go. Meter to centimeter converting. So you have to go with 2 steps. You have to go 2 steps and you are going upward. Okay, you have to go 2 steps and you are going upward. 2 steps, so 2 0. 2 steps 2 0 and in front you put 1. So you are getting 100. Okay, 2 steps you are going, so 2 0. Okay. And here you are going upward. So when you go upward, it is multiplied. When you go upward, it is multiplied. That way you remember. Okay. So 1 meter equal to, now I am writing the formula. You are converting the meter to centimeter. So from meter only you are starting. So that only have to come first. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So this is the formula. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, now for this let's see the example. Okay, I will give an example now. Suppose if it is 7 meter is there, you have to convert into centimeter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so it will be 7 multiplied, instead of meter, what we have 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter you have to write. Don't write only 100. 100 centimeter you have to write. Okay, so 7 into 100. So 7 into 100, 700. 700 centimeter. 7 meter equal to 700 centimeter. This is the formula. This is the answer. Okay, this is the way how to write. You have to write the formula, then you will do the calculation, and last you have to take and write the answer. Okay, now this is given in meter. Suppose here, if it is, they are asking you to convert into, this is like with centimeter mixed up. If it is given, how to? That way you will see. I will give another example for that. Now 457 centimeter. No, 4 meter 75 centimeter. You you have to convert into centimeter. See, 4 meter and centimeter is given. How to convert? So this is also centimeter. This is also centimeter only. You have to convert into centimeter. So don't see this centimeter. That means this meter only you have to convert into centimeter. So the formula is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So now we will write the answer. 4 meter 75 centimeter equal to 4 meter. So 4 multiply, instead of meter we have to write 100 centimeter. Again this 75 centimeter, just you have to add. So 75 centimeter. Okay, 75 centimeter. Okay, now 4 in 100, 400. 400 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. Now 400 plus 75, 475 centimeter. Okay, now this is the answer. Now last you have to take and write the answer. 4 meter 75 centimeter equal to 475 centimeter. So this is the way you have to complete the answer. So your full answer starts from the formula till the answer, taking and writing the answer. Okay, between the calculation. So this must be there, then only I will give the full marks. So if you write in shortcut and all, I will reduce the mark. How much you are reducing the steps, that much I will reduce the marks. Now let's see kilometer into meter. Okay, kilometer to meter. So kilometer is here. Kilometer to meter. Okay, so how many steps you have to go? 1, 2, 3. You have to go 3 steps. So 3, 0 and 1. So 1000 you are having, and you are going upward now. From kilometer to meter you are going upward, so it is multiplied. Okay, so the formula will be 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. How to find? You know, no? 3 steps we went upward from kilometer to meter. So 3 steps, so 3, 0 and 1 just we are insert in front. Okay, and we are going upward, so it is multiplied. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so now we will let's see one example. Suppose if it is given 12 kilometer and 250 meter, and how to convert into meter. So how to do? So this is the same way what we did the second sum. No? You have to write the formula. Then after writing the formula, you have to do the same thing. Okay. Now 12 kilometer and 250 meter equal to 12 multiply. Instead of kilometer, you have to write this 1000 meter. Again, this 250 meter you have to add. Okay, now 12 into 1000, 12,000. 12,000 meter plus 250 meters. So if you add now, so those who are finding it difficult to add, arrange the digits like this and you add it. Okay, so it will be now 12,250 meters. Okay, now last you have to take and write the answer. 12 kilometer, 250 meter equal to 12,250 meters. Okay, this is the complete answer. This much you have to do the answer to complete.